Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another paper pumpkin alternative video on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hi. This video will share alternative projects to stretch your paper pumpkin supplies. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, click the link in the description box below and check it out. I always show what's in the box before I ignore all the instructions and create my own masterpieces. So come along with me as I attempt to create out of the box. Welcome friends to the paper pumpkin kit for January 2024 called Lovely Lavender. Inside we have a stamp set. Normally they have a printed side of the stamp set, but you'll see in a little bit what they've done to correct that. And we get a gorgeous grape little Stampin' Spot, so a little ink pad. And then on the inside of this lovely little kit, we have the kit components for 8 envelopes and 4 tags. Sorry, 8 cards, 8 envelopes, and 4 tags. There is instructions that I'm briefly showing you here, what you're kind of supposed to do. They're all in picture form, so you don't even have to read it. Here are 3 other alternatives that they came up with, and these are all of the supplies that come in the kit, and here you are. So this is the first month that they're coming with this stamp artwork so that you can see what you are going to get if you ink that up correctly. And then here are all the components. So there's lots of little lavenders in here. There's so the coordinating colors is Berry Burst, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Lost Lagoon, and Pretty Peacock. And you can see I have Excalibur out here. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I absolutely adore this letter opener. It's called Excalibur. There's a couple of them. I found it on Amazon. I love it. I give it a little flourish, and sometimes I knight myself. Sometimes I knight the kitties. I give them a good old, tap on the shoulder. It's fun. And I'm a little goofy like that. So I destroyed the envelope. I'm cutting it down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I will use that envelope in a minute, or the envelope extra piece, I should say. So I am adhering this directly onto a basic white thick card. I always use this as a card base most of the time. And if I want to create, and this is like a top folding card, which is weird because I don't normally do the top folding cards or like the horizontal. But anyways, I'm mixing it up. So here is the rectangle that is in the kit. I cut down one of the card bases to 2 3/4 by 2 7/8. So it's longer horizontally it's longer vertically than it is horizontal. Anyway, I am lining up the edges with this die cut piece, the foiled die cut piece, and I'm trimming off the corners because I want the exact same vibe going on with my pattern paper that used to be the card, so that the corners add up. So I adhere that down with my Seal Plus, and I'm going to adhere it on the card base. In a second, I have Stampin' Dimensionals to place on this rectangle. And then I'm actually going to use the leaf image and ink it up with the Gorgeous Grape, but I'm going to stamp off. This is, if you're new to this technique, it's called generational stamping, and you get a lighter version of the ink. You can go maybe 2 or 3 times stamping off, and then you'll get just a lighter and a lighter and a lighter impression. It allows you to create versions of the card a little bit less intense. So I tried to use my little card front piece as a like a placemat so that I could see where I needed to add those leaves. And now I'm using the edge of the envelope and I'm going to stamp on it. I just felt like a white piece of card didn't go, and just because it was holy lavender, I just went with it. And the inside of that envelope just gives you, it's a very painterly look. I really dig it, so I'm using it. So I'm pulling in another product that will mat this sentiment piece, and honestly, you guys, I just trimmed it off so I can measure it right now, so that, you know, because some people like measurements. This is 1 and maybe 3/8. No, sorry, 1 and 5/8 by 1-ish. I just sort of eyeballed it. Sorry, you guys. And this is the Holographic Trio 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. I think there's a silver, there's sort of like this lavender color, and a purpley color. So there, it was really neat, and I thought it went so well with this card, so I decided to use it. I'm using Stampin' Dimensionals, a little strip on the top, and I'm doubling up the dimensionals on the bottom. So this is going to hang over that little edge. But it's going to be nice and flat and even because I double upped the dimensionals. And then I'm going in with another product from my stash. It's called the Purple Fine Shimmer Gems, and they are beautiful. They're shiny and faceted, and this is my first alternative for January 2024. Catch me Thursday for the next installment. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.